Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to demonstrate you the application and the software we have built to do motion detection. The code, the exe file along with the credentials are in the description below. You can download the exe file. You can run this exe file in any operating system. So once I give the auth key, I can generate the auth key also. Let me go and press submit and wait for the next screen. So as you can see, we have got different options. We can start the motion, we can stop the motion, we can see the motion screen, and we can see the graph also. So let's go and start the motion, and let's wait for the next window to come. And here we are going to give the duration for how long we would like to run the motion detection. So the current date is 27 September 2020. So I'm going to select current date, and the current timestamp is 11:45, like 11:43, and I want this application to run for maybe 5 minutes. And once I press the start motion button, the webcam is going to start and it's going to detect any changes or movement in the background. So let me go and press the start motion button, and let's wait for the webcam to start. Now as you can see, there is a plain background and there is no motion. So let me go and do this. Now you can see my hand is being detected. Let me take this out of the screen. Let me do this again. Let me do this like this. It's working fine. Let me take this out, and let's see if it detects a human body or not. And let me come in front of the screen, and we can see it is detecting the human body also. So let me do this. Let me go out of the screen and see if it is coming back to the default screen or not. So let me go out of the window. Right, works perfectly fine. Let me come again, and now you can see me, the rectangle box covering me. And let me go here. Let me do this. Let me do this. Let me stand here. Let me stand here. Okay, looks cool. Looks cool. And let me go here and white this. Let me bring it close. Let me take out. Let me increase. Let me do this. Let me go out. Let me screen up. All right, and let me disappear. Come back again. This works perfectly fine. So now this application, you can enhance the code, you can change the UI if you want to. The entire code is there in GitHub. So what we can do, we can go and stop the motion. So once we do that, it stops the webcam and it's going to generate a bouquet graph. This graph tells you on what duration the motion was detected. All the white portion is your scenario where there was no motion. The green portion tells you how long the motion has been detected in the background. So that's all pretty much about this application, guys, and this exe file is available in the description below. You can run the exe file, you can use this application in day-to-day life. Yeah, and that's all. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.